What's up guys, it's AJ Alburo here, and today I'm going to have a challenge. This is a challenge, Rubik's Cube challenge. Like, I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube for about below than 5 minutes. So first I have to scramble first. So since now it's already scrambled, and also first, before I solve this one, I have to start the time in 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, if you want to check this out, I just have finished completed the Rubik's Cube for about 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So if you like this video, please make sure to drop a like and share this video to your friends. Leave a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new. And also, it's AJ, and peace out guys.